Hello and welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing great, so join me fry some meat pies today. And I'm using 2 medium-sized onions, scallions or spring onions, Exeter beef pate, and in place of this you can use minced meat, then flour and butter. So I'll be chopping my scallions and then one of the onions for the filling, and I'll grate the other onion for my crust. So since I'm using Exeter beef pate, I'll just fry some onions in 2 tablespoons of oil, add the beef pate and add my chopped onions and scallions. Then give it a stir, allow it to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes and then take it off the fire. And since it's a beef pate, you don't need to cook it for long on fire because it's already ready. Yeah, so this is ready. I'll be setting it aside and I'll continue with my crust. Alright, so for the crust, I'm using 2 kilos of flour, which is approximately 10 cups. And I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt. And then 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then I'll mix everything up. And add the butter. And I'll mix it up as well, but this I'll be using my hand to do the mixing. Then I will now add my grated onions. Like I said, it's actually optional, but it gives the crust nice flavor and an additional taste. Alright, so I'll add my water now, and the water I'll be adding it in bits till I get my desired texture. Okay, so here I am done with the mixing, and I'll be covering this and then setting it aside for the ingredients I used to be infused in the crust. Yeah, here the crust is going for impartation, so I'll be setting it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. By then the impartation will be done. Alright, so this is 20 minutes and the impartation is mightily done. So on my work surface, I'll spread some flour and then put my crust and continue with the cutting, the rolling and the cutting. But I can't work with this at a goal, so I'll be working with it in beats. So I'll set the first half aside, and then this half, so I'll be dividing it into 2 and work with the first quarter. And guys, this is your girl Miss Ruth as usual. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's keep winning together. So I'm rolling the crust out. And guys, please keep the comments coming at the comment section as usual. The comments are very important, so please do us keep them coming. So this is the thickness I am going for. I don't want it too thin. And with the aid of a bowl and a knife, I'll do the cutting. Yes, I'm done cutting out this one. I'll continue with the adding of the filling and the frying. But while at this, my oil is already on fire because there is no time to waste. The oil has to be very hot before you start frying. So if you don't put it on fire early, you would have to wait and wait and wait. It's a waste of time. There is no time to waste. So we'll continue with the sealing, and I'll be using a fork to do the sealing. But guys, when you are sealing, you do well to seal it very tight because you wouldn't like this to open up in the oil. That mess is so annoying. So like I said, please remember to seal it very well. Dip the fork in some flour so that it does not stick to the pie. So I'll continue with the frying, and we are frying on a medium-high heat. If you fry on a low heat, your pie is going to soak up the oil, and if you fry on a high heat, the pie is going to burn while it is not cooked. And so this is ready, and I'll continue with the same process till I'm done frying everything, but I'll be using a different size to cut out the other ones. I want 2 different sizes. These ones are kind of small, so I'll be using something which will give it a bigger size. Just like I said, these ones are actually bigger than the first ones. Yeah, so guys, here we are. Thank you so much for staying with me till now. Just look at that. Don't forget to try this, and don't forget to subscribe. And until my next upload, the Lord be with you.